Hey everybody, it's Jared here at Big Pine Sports. You're looking at the Polaris Expedition. We've just installed the WD Electronics Sequential Street Legal Kit on it. Wanted to do a walk around, show you a little bit about how it looks. Right on the get-go, you can tell it's got some killer looks from WD. How does the Street Legal Kit function? How does it operate? Let's take a look inside. You have their traditional WD turn signal switch. Down will be left. The nice part, it integrates into the turn signals up on the dash. But check this out. Oh yeah, very nice, very nice. Looks phenomenal. You have great field of view from all sides. No more drilling holes in the fenders. Super cool. And around the back side. Massive field of view illuminating all the LEDs there in the back. Very nice, very nice. Does come with the plate mount and light to illuminate the plate at night. What I love about this switch, it's very quiet in the switch itself. 435-427-3338. Give us a call, shoot us a text. Check us out on the web at bigpinesports.com. What do you think? We love it here at Big Pine Sports. Have a great day, everybody.